Alright, so this is the V011 OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool. Bought it off of Amazon. Highly recommend it. Found a few issues with my car, fixed them, so quit stalling out. Very simple to use. It uses a OBD2, the OBD Home app, and I will have how to use that video also in this video right here. You can pick this up off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. This is lights up red when you have power and green when it's linked. And all you do is plug it in to your OBD2 port right under your dash. Alright, so pretty much I have the OBD2 plugged in. You go to the OBD Home app, you click on that, it'll connect via Bluetooth. Takes a little bit of time. There we go. Kind of shows the speed you're going at, your voltage. You can do the data stream, so you can actually see once engine load, coolant temperature, intake manifold pressure, your speed, airflow, throttle position, oxygen sensors, the runtime, the fuel rail gauge, fuel tank level input. Well, this app is pretty handy. That's that OBD Home app that comes with that V011. You can go back, go to a dashboard. They have 3 different options here. You can have the classic option, gives you the RPM if you don't have a RPM meter, the airflow, the coolant temperature, the voltage. I do not have a voltage meter, surprisingly, on this Equinox, so that does come in handy. You can go to this one right here, kind of sits vertically, kind of shows you all the same things. And then just the old classic mile per hour. There's a lot of things. If you go to diagnose, you can do the full scan. Have been detected, everything else passed. You can click that DTC, and then it will have you select your vehicle, and it will give you faults. It has your check engine light on. I do have that fuel composition sensor circuit. It keeps showing up. I'll have to keep working on that. Definitely fuel issues, exhaust issues. You can also clear them, and then it will kick off your check engine light. You can do your freeze frame. Oxygen sensor, IM readiness. This tells you pretty much what fails, fuel system fails, a lot of failed in here. Doesn't have any misfires though. information. You click that, tells you kind of information on everything. Go back to home. And then just a quick little video tutorial of that OBD home app that comes with that V011. I love this thing. It's simple to use. Very, very simple. I love how you can stream performance. Hit start. Haven't really tried this performance yet. Figured I'd give you a little video of how it all worked. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. That is with that OBD V011 V011. Picked that up off of Amazon. I think I paid $15 for it. It's anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. You have more options right here. Your vehicle data reporting, vehicle light description, fault code query, so where it does store those fault codes, travel analyst. You can change the units from the metric to imperial. Search engines for information, Google, or I've never even heard of the other one. So, kind of a nice little app to be running. Definitely worth it.